Do you ever get so caught up on the main course for your holiday feast that you forget about the sides? Well, don't you worry. Today, Howard shows us how to make the best last-minute herb rolls that will save the day in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
What a week it's been. Between getting everything ready for the big feast and strategizing the best way to take advantage of all those Black Friday sales, you knew you were going to forget something. If that something happens to be the rolls, then there's nothing to worry about because you still have plenty of time to make these freshly baked ones. When you're at the store this afternoon, pick up a couple of packages of those ready-to-bake refrigerated buttermilk biscuits. Now, rather than baking them as directed, cut each biscuit into about 8 pieces and place them in a large bowl. Add some freshly chopped parsley, a bit of dry thyme, sage, garlic powder, and a wee bit of salt. After tossing it all together and making sure all the pieces of dough are coated with the herbs and spices, drizzle on some melted butter and toss them one more time. Then all you have to do is fill some muffin cups with the dough and pop them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Yes, it's that easy. And since they bake so quickly, you can throw them in the oven when you take your turkey out to rest. They're so buttery and flavorful, you might consider making a double batch. To get the recipe for our last-minute herb rolls, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a freshly baked way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Can't beat that. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market price.